it's here. Are you recording? It's time to hack. Ooh, what if I killed the phone? Why did you hand me a knife? I'm a danger.
Put the knife down now. You've already opened it. Put the knife down.
Unboxing. Unboxing. Boxing.
Unboxing.
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 We are unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. It's mine. It wasn't sent to me for review. It's mine. Ooh, I hope I didn't stab it. I think it's safe.
It's got so many cameras.
What's the word? Trypophobia? Is that what it's called? When they're afraid of holes everywhere.
Tape to reseal box for your device return.
Why do they want me to return it? I told them I wanted it for keeps. Watch this. Wait, I don't get first look, you guys did. That's not fair. Oh.
Peel it off your hand now.
Help! It's supposed to have a better... What's happening?
I was doing something wonky.
It's supposed to have a better grip, which is good for people like me. It's supposed to be a little less slippery.
Let me feel
The sides feel more grippy. Okay, so it comes with this gigantimum charger
it. Why is it so big?
because it's more powerful.
Gigantium?
Help! I'm not good at these videos. It comes with not AirPods, but lies. There are cords in here. Come on,
Welcome to the inner sanctum.
let's go. Trips up. Are you here for my phone? Do you love it? You don't care, you just care about the box.
Yeah,
She's here for the box.
typical.
Turn it on by holding this down.
Yep.
I'm scared. What if it blinds me? So far, so good.
Wow, that was so bright.
Hello! Swipe up to open. Are you eating that plant? In 5 hours, Lily got 100,000 views and 20,000 likes on TikTok. So she's kind of a big deal.
I was minding my business when suddenly, the neighbor cat made another unwanted appearance. I used powerful aggression, to no avail. The yellow idiot remained afoot, unaffected by my threats. My human approached the foul creature to make contact, as I watched in horror from my barrier. The stench of betrayal overwhelmed me to my core.
Move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. Get started. I don't know what it means by a circle, babe. Oh, wow, this is awful.
You're doing great.
Help.
Your little thing said it.
It did?
Yeah, it's mouthing what you're saying.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
What? What? Ow! What the heck is that? How is this happening? What?
I thought you knew.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know why those things were making faces. So weird. I don't think I had that on my phone. It didn't prompt me to set it up.
No, she had an old
Is
phone.
that one more in my hair? Hey, it thinks my laughter is evil. What the f is that? What is this? Is that how I laugh? Look at it. That's the most evil. What the heck is that? This is my, all right, I'm gonna naturally smile and then I'm gonna show you my thing, okay? That's sinister. I'm gonna call that done.
Send me a message doing it, the emoji thing.
I like butter squash. I like butter squash. Ah! It was so weird. Ah! So wait, did that come? Biscuits! You can let her in. Why'd you let her out?
Because we're doing a video here.
You can let her
We're
in.
professionals, okay? We can't have her and her diva behavior in here.
She's so famous right now. Allow camera to access your location.
That's up to you.
Do you do that?
No.
I feel like it's stalking. Oh, look at that. Ooh, wow.
Okay.
That's sharp. So you go like that, and now it's wider. Isn't that cool?
Neato.
It's like, that's a lot wider than before. Okay, so one thing I'm still getting used to is I keep accidentally grabbing the lenses on the back when I'm trying to pick the phone up, because the lens to phone ratio is actually quite a bit bigger than I'm used to. Portrait, natural light it says. And then what? I can do other things. Wow. I bet that was horrible. Ugh. Let me try this infamous Slofi. But this is horrible. Oh, there it is. Ew, get rid of it. Slofi. It's like Pantene ads. How do I adjust the settings to like 4K? You go into your settings, camera, and all of that information is right here. You can just shoot in 4K. And use famous cat real quick. Oh, that's your pose? All right, so you can change the camera settings here. There's the wide. Oh, that's cute! It's kind of out of focus, but I can zoom in to the telephoto. Just naturally, casually got my foot in the air. I really like the wide angle. Let's see what happens if I were to turn it around. How wide it would get if I wanted to shoot like that and just kind of trust it.
Looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Like you can definitely trust that you're gonna be in frame. It's like using a GoPro almost.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's some beautiful shots you're gonna set us up for. Oh, don't move. Oh, that's beautiful. You looking for the neighbor cat? All right, so I would say the iPhone 11 Pro, definitely a go. Okay, this is super weird, but after we made this video, Josh's phone like died. It won't turn back on. Like it bricked out. I mean, does that seem suspicious to you that the very time that I activate my phone, his just kind of craps out? Is it some kind of conspiracy to get people to buy more phones?